As an events management student, I see the importance of teamwork and collaboration skills.
With Sunway's emphasis on sustainability, we not only advocate for green waste management, but also transform edible food waste into tasty dishes.
It's an incredible gateway to international student mobility. Through student exchanges and articulation programs, I've had the remarkable opportunity to work with the school's global partner universities. Highly impressed.
I delve into research with enhanced skills. One pioneering research was on female solo traveling.
We also lead in adopting technology for sustainable thriving. Our explorations of museum visitor experiences redefines culture engagement and heritage preservation.
With outstanding hospitality education and research, students blend sustainable principles and experiential learning through simulations and industry collaborations for successful careers in the dynamic service industry. Embark on a journey where your future in hospitality, tourism, culinary arts and events can make a global impact. Sunway University, truly a class above.